What's up, everybody? It's your girl, lovely Latrice, and I'm back again. I'm back again. I want you guys to get ready with me. Today. This is the look that we're doing. I have to be somewhere. So I really hope you guys enjoy this look. I enjoyed doing it. And make sure y'all subscribe. I'm tired of y'all looking at my videos and y'all ain't subscribing. I'm just saying. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit that bell. Make sure y'all hit the bell so you can get the notifications. You gotta know when the video's coming, or else how you gonna watch? Just saying. Make sure y'all hit that bell. Make sure y'all give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or any comments, make sure y'all leave them in the comment box below. But we're about to get to this video. So let's get to it, baby. I already started off by doing my eyebrows. I'll put them on camera, you know. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna be using a lot of new stuff today. Well, not a lot, but enough. So I'm gonna prime my face. Hey, I'm gonna prime my face with this Maybelline primer. And I used this once before and I actually love it. Using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Hey, Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Yeah. Oh, something new I used, and this is by e.l.f. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a eyebrow gel, and it just comes out. It has two sides. It has two sides, and one says eyelash and then one says eyebrow. And it's just like a little mascara. Boop. And you just brush it on there just to get go ahead and blend. I'm just gonna blend all that in. Just like that. And then I'm doing something a little different. gonna take this and I'm gonna just do 2 dots just right up under my eye. Got the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and my daughter took the box, so these are the colors that's in it. As you can see, I was doing a little swatching, so yeah. But these are the colors that's in it. It has a little pretty mirror. It's really clear. I love when they have mirrors because it's just like kind of easier to boom, 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 boom. Okay? So we're gonna use this palette today. And I might end up doing a really bold eye, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and use this palette, and yeah, we're gonna get into it. I'll move y'all closer so y'all can see me. Okay. All right. We're gonna start off with we're gonna start off with this Sparks color, this one right here, for our transition color. That's really pigmented, like, I'm not even kidding. And y'all can see. So, like, y'all see that? I know y'all do. And I'm gonna go in with another brush and just begin to blend. This brush is clean, so I don't even know why I did that. And we just gonna blend it on out and up. That's really pretty. Okay. bold color, I'm gonna take that brown and go right back up. This purple, not brown. This purple, this one, and go right back up into my crease. eye look. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I love it. I really like this Jaclyn Hill palette, like, a lot. But we're gonna go ahead and do a little setting powder. Do a little setting powder under my eye, because we don't want him under there to get the creases. I'm just gonna wipe a little bit of that under there. Now that that is all done, I'm gonna go ahead and contour real quick. I have to get ready to roll. I have a doctor's appointment, so let's go ahead and get this contour going so I can get out of here. a great look. And as you guys know, I use my Tarte palette for my contour. We just gonna get in there, put a little color back in the face. And then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight eyelashes, and we done. So let's go ahead and highlight this little nose hair. Oh, ew. Okay. This is just like Wet n Wild, my same highlighter. I started to get a different one because I wanted to try something different, but then I changed my mind. So we just doing a regular D-ski, okay? Now we have these lashes on. I'm gonna go back in with my highlighter, and I'm just gonna put highlighter in the corner of my eyes. Grwm, and this is the color 320. It's called Cream. We're gonna go in with that color. And then, of course, with my famous Almay. And then we're just gonna twist this face. I'm like literally, I'm literally out. And you know, this is the look, you guys. I really enjoyed doing this look, like I always do. But this look is really pretty. I've never did eyes this bold. Oh yeah, I did. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said in the beginning, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button. You know, make sure you just do all of it. Okay? For the lovely Latrice. And I love you guys.